Hello there. Welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly and I'm a kitnapper. I have been nabbing kits left and right and falling in love with Stampin' Up's kit collection. So I'm here to share with you 15 projects in 15 minutes. Actually, there's 20 because I couldn't stop. And 15 reasons why I've become a kitnapper. So reason number one, they make amazing gifts. So let's take a look at the Rustic Christmas countdown, an adorable countdown to Christmas with 25 days. Now, the kit itself would make a great gift. Give your kit to a crafty friend or even a friend who's never crafted before but you think would really enjoy the ease of our kits. Each one of these days of Christmas has an envelope that you can put a little gifty inside or a little note. And I've shared on my Facebook page, which I'll link in the description, 50 different ideas for these envelopes and things that you could put inside those envelopes. All of the pieces are contained in the kit. You simply assemble it and enjoy this as a little gift. Now, let's also take a look at the next kit called Forever Friends or Friends Forever. And ooh, look at the sparkly green. I love that so much. The second reason that I am a kitnapper and that I love the kits is because they are good for all levels. If you've never opened up a kit, never put together a card or a tag or never stamped or anything, you literally stamp a little bit of sentiments on some punch out pieces that are already prepped for you. All the other pieces are already prepped. You assemble those, the adhesive is included, and it's perfect for a brand new beginner. However, they also show you with the stamp set that is included how to stamp patterned backgrounds and recreate more of these of your own on, say, some white willow cardstock and to make those really pretty floral backgrounds. So you can elevate these with things from your stash. You can do them as is at the very basic level, and they're good for all levels of paper crafters. Let's move on to painted wishes, the gorgeous painted wishes. And the next reason for being a kitnapper and loving the kits is the minimal time needed to put gorgeous things together. So this is the painted wishes kit. This one was actually put together by my helper, Mary, and she did several of the cards exactly as is. And then some of the cards, she grabbed some little bits and pieces from our stash, some little extra ribbons, some gold foil. But if you look at these, they are not stamped sentiments. These are foil embedded sentiment punch outs. So you simply punch out the sentiments and the gorgeous floral backgrounds are on pre-printed bases, and then you assemble. You tuck a little ribbon in, you add the sentiment on. There's no stamping in this kit whatsoever. And literally you could put this kit together in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. There are kits that you can put together in an hour, in 30 minutes, in 20 minutes, and even, yes, in 15 minutes. And look at the gorgeousness of this. Absolutely love painted wishes. Up next, my next reason for loving our kits is because it's for all kinds of kinds. Feminine, masculine, cards, tags, journaling, decorations. There is so much that there's something for everyone. This particular project is one of our brand new project kits called Looking Forward, and it's an adorable junk journal with so many parts and pieces. I'm going to use these letters to personalize this for my granddaughter who's going to turn 11 in a couple weeks. And I think 11 is that perfect age to begin journaling and writing down your thoughts and doodling and putting your dreams down on paper. So I think this will be a great add-on to her birthday gift. And I can put her photos in there and let her go to town. And I love that there's something for every age and every kind. Up next on the list, let's talk about one that's really important. They are economical. These kits are very economical and you get plenty of bang for your buck. So let's look at the gorgeous Hello Hollyhocks and let's look at the price of that. Of course, it's on sale now, but you can see the regular price right beside it. Look at what we're looking at per card, $1.40 per card. Have you been to a retail store lately where you've purchased a card? It's unbelievable how expensive they are, and they're not even that cute. Look at the gorgeousness of the Hello Hollyhocks kit and how affordable it is. This one is an 9 card kit with some pre-printed backgrounds again and some punch outs and some framing, and the sentiments are already done for you. So quick, so easy to put together. I actually put this one together in under 15 minutes. All right, let's talk about fun. These kits can be so fun. Let's look at a couple that were an absolute blast that I was able to do with my grandkids. So the first one here is Hooray for Honeycomb with these adorable honeycomb pop outs. So they have adhesive on either side, and you situate those so that they open up. If you're going to mail it, you can leave one side without the adhesive adhered so that it will lay flat in the envelope, and then they can adhere it when they get it. And there are so many cute little honeycomb pop outs and adorable envelopes, and these are so fun for young kids or grandkids to be able to do. And here is a fan favorite, the Haunted Halloween kit. Oh my, oh my. I put this one together myself. It was so easy, and I'm actually terrible at 3D things, but they couldn't have made it easier, and it's so sturdy, and I'm definitely going to be sitting this out on the table. Cute little vellum ghosts, little vellum cobwebs or spider webs, and look at this little tree that can sit up and the fence around it. I will definitely have that sitting out all through the holidays, and it's another fun one for the grandkids. Now let's talk quality. Here's Christmas wishes, and you can feel the quality. We have gold foil envelopes that are heavy and not flimsy, really heavy duty card bases with embedded gold foil. All the punch outs are sturdy, a wonderful quality stamp. You're not giving up quality in these kits. Next, let's talk about versatility. This is a City Sites kit that I converted a card kit into 10 scrapbooking pages by adding cardstock and other elements. I've also done that with the paper pumpkin kit. So you'll see here that I did the Painted Petals paper pumpkin kit, and then most recently the Time for Cake kit, which was a card kit I converted to pages. So you can convert cards to tags, tags to cards, cards to pages. You can use the contents of these kits and all the amazing bits for so many other projects because they are versatile. Now let's talk about waste. No waste. Inside these kits is all of the parts and pieces needed to create the project. So let's look at the Festive Tags. I love this one. All of the punch outs, the bases, the tags, the sentiments, all of those parts and pieces are included, even the twine, the bling, and the adhesive. Once you get done putting all of these adorable tags together, let's take a look at what's left. You have the instructions. You have some sentiments in the other languages. You have the box, and you have a piece of cardboard. No waste. I love that you can pull these kits out, put these kits together, and done. Everything is gone except for the tags themselves. It's amazing. You can pop these into your suitcase and do these on the road even. Now you're going to love this one. You're looking at Alpine Air. This is the Alpine Air kit that was just released with this gorgeous watercolor mountain background, and the color scheme, ooh la la, I love it. But kits are a great excuse, not that we need an excuse, to be social. Kits and coffee, kits and cocktails, kits with kids. It is a great way to be social and invite a friend over and put kits together. Really no experience needed. I love the concept of someone like my daughter who's raising 3 busy girls, that she could have a girlfriend over who also has children, and they could do kits with kids. It would be a great way to create and be creative with kits, kids, coffee, cocktails. Pick your poison. This next one is all about being clear and easy and having clear and easy instructions. Now, this is one that my helper Mary put together. She did some exactly as designed, and some she added a few butterflies and elements from our stash. But when you look at the instructions, you have card 1, all the bits and pieces needed for card 1, card 2, all the bits and pieces, card 3, all the bits and pieces, and it even tells you where to place adhesive. It's so visual that most people, like me, who don't read instructions, open up the clear and easy instructions, look at the photos, and put them together in no time flat. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the gorgeous Boho Beach kit. Ooh, I love this one so much. And the next reason for being a kitnapper and loving the kits is the bits in the kits, bits and bits and bits in the kits, stamp spots, stamp, all the adhesive. A lot of times if you even need score tape or 3M adhesive, that's in there. Your dimensionals are in there, your pre-printed bases, your envelopes, all of your embellishments, the bling, the sentiment punch outs, everything that you need is so many bits. So you're not just getting this flat one level card because it comes in a kit. You get layers and layers of bits to be able to make a gorgeous layered card. You also get some printout and things to help you store your stamps, so you know what your stamps look like and you can store those and see what those look like. But look at the Boho Beach cards. There's twine sticking out, leaf embellishments, there's stamping in the background of pre-printed pieces. So you have texture. You have texture in stamping, you have texture in the florals, you have texture in popping up and adding the string. I love the bits in this collection. Okay. Up next is all inclusive. Now, this is a little bit of a repeat for all the bits because all inclusive really means you have every single thing that you need in each kit and you need nothing else to have to add to the kit to be able to complete it. So even though I'm using the Christmas Everywhere kit as the example, you literally could take any kit, pop it in your suitcase, and put it together in your hotel room and need nothing extra to put it together. Now, we've talked about a lot of reasons to be a kitnapper, a lot of reasons that I love the kits and why I have fallen in love with them. But there's another really good reason to be in love with the kits, and that's because we're currently having a kit sale. And the kit sale's been going on all month, and it goes through the month of October. If you go to the Stampin' Up shop site, and I'll link this in the description, go to specials and go to kit sale, you'll see 2 pages of kits that are on sale. Many or most of those that I've shown today. Now, this is the gorgeous Garden of Thanks kit. I love it so much. Mary put this one together, and she did most of them as they were supposed to be, but she added a few little die-cut flowers to a couple of them. So next on the list is the Birthday Sparkle Kit. So one of the biggest reasons to be a kitnapper and to love the kits is because they are adorable. They're adorable. Look at this Birthday Sparkle kit. 6 cards, 6 tags, gold foil embedded, a little simple stamping, and you make the cute little balloons. It has cute little candles and sentiments, and look at the little stick with the star coming out of the cute little cupcake. Who doesn't need birthday cards and tags? Now, I think we're up to 18 at least, and I promised 15 in 15 minutes, but why not make it an even 20? Here's an adorable rock legend kit that would be great for music lovers or musicians in your family. An 8-card kit that's super cute and super easy. Last but not least, the beautiful, beautiful Sentimental Rose kit. You have this cute little gift box that could hold chocolates or rose petals, adorable little cards that have pre-printed watercolor backgrounds, and you simply do some simple stamping on it and assemble, and they're beautiful. I hope you have loved my 15 minutes, 15 kits. 20, and that you've enjoyed this walkthrough of our kits collection. It's a great time to check out our kits and become a kitnapper and nab a few of those kits yourself, because the kit sale lasts for 2 more weeks. Hey, if you've been inspired or you've just enjoyed all of the projects that I've shared today, hit like, subscribe, the notifications bell, and shoot me a comment and let me know which one was your favorite kit that I showed today. I hope you'll share and come back for more right here on Snips by Kelly. Happy scrapping and happy paper crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.